So, hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today, no time to waste, all right? Valentine's Day is right around the corner. We don't have time, okay? So before you go out and buy him that Creed or that Gucci belt or them Prada shoes, we're not doing that, okay? We're gonna watch this video first, and if and only if you can check these off, do you go get him a gift, baby, or give him some of that nana or them throat babies or whatever you got planned up your sleeve? Sis, we're not get this 2021. We're not fucking around anymore, okay? We're gonna get on our shit, all right? Boss up. Do we spoil our niggas? You better believe we do. You better believe we do. But if and only if you can check off the things on his list. Sis, does the dude even like you?
It's easy.
Okay, I want this video to be short and sweet. Like I said, Valentine's Day is around the corner. We don't have time. We gotta get to it, okay? So these are 5 signs to know if the guy you are dating, seeing, shacking up with, hooking up, whatever word you want to use. If your dude, your beau, your man even likes you, okay? First and foremost. Well, no, I'm not going to say first and foremost because these aren't in any particular order, okay? So it's just kind of like, oh, I got a missed call. Coincidentally. Anyways, okay, so here we go. Number 1. Have you guys been on any dates? Now, pause. I'm not talking about the first date that y'all went on when y'all first met, or the second date, or the third date before you gave up the nana. I'm talking about, do you guys consistently date? Now, again, we are in 2021. A date doesn't have to be as formal as him coming to pick you up with the flowers and, opening the door, because sadly, chivalry is dead, though he should be doing those things. That would be very nice. But I mean, like, do you guys hang out? Have you been seen in public with him, sis? Or do you come over at night with pajamas on? You know what I'm saying? Or does he just pull up? Like, does he... Here's the thing. And this is not even about guys. This is just about human being and human nature in general. Like, when you like something, you want to show it to people. You know what I'm saying? Think about it, sis. Reverse the roles. If I have a dude that I'm really feeling and that I like, I want to be seen with my man. Now, I know girls like hide their man, or they don't want to bring their man around their friends or whatever. So I kind of get that. But okay, we don't have to go around friends. We can go to a little, nicely lit, unknown location and have us a little date night. Or we can, go to the beach and pull up and just chill. Or we can just go walk a strip somewhere and grab a drink. Or like, do y'all go on dates? Sis, if you have not been on any dates since the first or second time y'all hung out, like, he don't really like you like that. Like, period. Like, he's not it. Like, he's just not. Okay, number 2. Is he consistent? Like, I've been a victim of this too. Like, kind of making excuses for people's inconsistency. Like, oh, he might be busy, or I know he works a lot, Fuck that, okay? Fuck that. You make time for what you like. People make time, okay? Barack Obama, the ex-leader of the free world, used to have dinner with his wife every night. I don't know if that's a rumor, but I've heard. He would make time to have dinner with Michelle every night, and he's running the fucking country. Your nigga is not running the country. So I don't care how many packs he gotta move or how many plays he gotta make or what. You can make time to shoot me a text. You can make time to call me. You can make time to see me. Am I asking to see me every day? No, but you can take an hour or 2 out of your week, not day. You can take an hour or 2 out of your week to come see me or make me feel special. And if he's not doing that, he just don't fuck with you. Or if he gives you little breadcrumbs of time, or like little breadcrumbs of popping up and showing up and leaving and disappearing and ghosting. Look, bruh, I ain't got time, okay? This is not the fucking Winter Olympics. I'm not finna play games. Like, ask yourself this, sis. Ask yourself this question. If he's doing that, he don't really like you. He might fuck with you, like she cool, you know what I'm saying? But he doesn't really like you, okay? Just remember, keep that in mind. Number 3. Who reaches out first? So in his little bits of inconsistency, do you notice that you're the one who breaks the silence? Like, hey, what's up? Where have you been? You good? Like, sis, he might have forgotten about you because he's floundering around with other bitches, okay? And or he has a roster, so it's hard for him to keep up with all of you guys. Again, he might like you. He might think you're cool. He might think you're a swell girl, but he don't really fuck with you, okay? Now, I'm not coming at y'all like, oh, ain't no nigga ever played me. No, baby, I've been played before. I've had niggas do me like this, and I'm a really sweet girl, so I'll be like, oh, well, maybe he's just busy. Nah, fuck all that. 2021, fuck all that, okay? These niggas know what they doing. Again, he might think you got some swell kitty. He might love the nana. The thighs might be juicy. He might like looking at them, but he doesn't really fuck with you like that, okay? I'm just keeping it real. I've been in situationships where I know a nigga just don't like me, and I know what that feels like. I've been in situationships to where I feel like the dude kind of likes me, like he kind of fucks with me, or like he might have another bitch, or he might fuck with me, but he don't like something about me, you know, that little half and half, iffy. And then I've been in relationships where the nigga really fucks with me, okay? And you can literally feel the difference. You can feel the difference in the 3 different situations. And sometimes as women, to stroke our own ego, you know, we'll make excuses like, I said, like, oh, he's busy, or I don't know, maybe I know he works late, so he probably got off and went to sleep. No, bitch, he didn't know. No, he didn't do any of that. He just doesn't like you, okay? Period. Number 4. Have you met any of his friends or family? Now, this one is tricky, and I know a lot of y'all are gonna like fight me on this one. Like, no, because you know he don't want to bring you around his homies because he don't want his homies to try to talk to you and woothy wumpty, which is kind of true. Which is, I mean, we could debate about that. We could argue that. But sis, like, men aren't complicated, okay? They're not really that complex, okay? Not saying that they're dumb. I don't want any men watching this. I'm not saying that they're dumb, but women, we like overthink things. We overanalyze things. We look at things with emotion. We use a little bit of logic. Some of us, you know, we're a lot more complicated and complex. Men, it's cut and dry, baby. Okay. So again, you might be thinking like, oh, maybe he doesn't want to take me around his friends because of this and that. No, bitch. Like, they don't think that deep. Like, if they want they niggas to see the bitch they fucking on. Like, and you know, just to keep it, just how they talk, okay? I'm gonna talk to you how they talk. Like, nigga, look at the bitch I'm fucking, look at that ass. Ain't she the shit? Type shit, okay? They're gonna wanna show you off. If he hasn't done that, he might like you. He might think you're cool, but I mean, he don't really fuck with you like that. Like, I'm telling y'all, like, and I know a lot of y'all are gonna be watching this like, well, my man didn't, he didn't. No. He don't fuck with you, baby. I promise you. It's hard to believe. It's a hard pill to swallow. But if you have not met any of his friends or any of his family, again, if you just met the dude last week, this might not apply. But I'll say, if y'all been dating for at least 3 months, let's do 3 months. If y'all been dating for 3 months and you ain't met no friends, no family, he ain't took you out, he's inconsistent, he be ghosting, like, baby, he don't fuck with you, period, okay? He just doesn't. All right, here we go. Number 5, do his actions match his words? Now, a lot of dudes This one's tricky because he might actually like you. He might actually like you, okay? But does he deserve you? Does he deserve you? You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of guys will have intentions. They'll have good intentions, or they'll want to do right by you, but it's like they don't. So they'll make promises like, oh baby, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna take you here, I got this for you, I got plans, da, da, da. And they'll say those things because they might truly want to do those things and they might have the intent to do those things. But if he hasn't put any action behind it, which is the hard part, you know what I'm saying? It's easy to say those things, but the hard part is to actually do them. If you've noticed that his actions don't really match his words, then again, he might like you. He might like you, but he might not deserve you at this point. Or he just might not be on the same type of shit you on. You know what I'm saying? So he cut his ass off too. God damn it. Last year, if you would have asked me, I would have said, well, you might want to work with him and you might just want to, bring it up and talk about it. But in 2021, cut his ass off. Bye, nigga. Snippity snip snip. Okay? Period. So again, just a really quick video. 5 signs to know if your guy really, really likes you or not. And just real quick, like, remember, men will keep you around even though they don't really see a future with you. Which I know to us women that might sound crazy because we don't want to waste our time, and why would we do something like that? And we might not understand why someone else would do something like that. But men will keep you around, sweetie. They'll keep you around for 3, 4, 5 years and play with you. You know what I'm saying? As long as you let them. You set the standard for how you're treated. I'm just telling you the truth. Like it's funny because I'll talk to my homegirls, or people always, since I was like 14, random people reach out to me for advice. It's a family trait. I don't know. It happens to my mom. It happens to my daughter. Like whenever people just reach out to us for advice, random people, bus stops, gas stations, all the time. And I always get women, telling me different stories about men and things like that and just what they're going through. And it's crazy because at the end of the day, it's all just wasted time. Again, I've done it too. I've done it too, sis. I've done it too. I'm not better than anyone. But it's just like, these are some signs that'll help you not waste time. Again, men will keep you around. They'll keep you around for as long as you let them, and they'll treat you how you allow them to treat you. But if you set standards and you don't gotta be a bitch. I'm not saying that. No, nigga, I don't do this and I don't take that. Nobody wants a nag, okay? Chill out. But you don't even have to say anything. You can show him by actions. Like the first time you notice any of these 5 things, like address it. You can address it nicely, like, hey, haven't heard from you in 2 or 3 days. What's up with that? Like, that's not cool. Like, I can't, nip that shit in the bud. Red flag number 1, like, let them know. Like, let these niggas know how you want to be treated. And if he can't meet the standards, that's not the one for you. And I know you guys have heard that a million times, and it sounds very cliche, but it's just the truth. You're gonna save yourself heartache, you're gonna save yourself time, and I promise you, sis, I swear to y'all, I swear to you, there are dudes out here who will treat you so much better. They exist. I promise you they do. I know you might be like, oh, I got whatever his name is, and he's so sweet, and we've been fucking around for so long, he's acting kind of weird. Bitch, let his ass go. Let his ass go. There's another nigga right around the corner who will treat you like a queen. I promise you. So again, I know this video might have been a little harsh, and I didn't want to hurt anybody's feelings or anything like that, but I just wanted to save you guys some time, some trouble, some heartache, some, sleepless nights, some tears, some nana miles, you know what I'm saying? Like, let his ass go, sis. If he's not, and these are the bare minimum. And, I know everybody's at different places in life, and there's some people who are probably going through way worse, who wish their man was just inconsistent. They might be going through, abuse, physical abuse, mental abuse. They might be, dealing with baby mamas and side babies and all kind of shit. So these are really mild, okay? But these are just the first signs, the red flags, to let you know to ski fucking daddle, bitch. Ski fucking daddle at the first sign. Now, if you guys have been in a relationship and things are deeper than this, you might need another video. I'll do another video for that, for, you know, those when you're like in a tumultuous relationship. But these are kind of just some dating signs to look out for, some red flags. Okay, guys? So, of course, you guys know I really fuck with you. Y'all have been giving me amazing feedback. Again, my channel is still brand new, but the way you guys respond to my content, y'all, I done started something. Like, I have so much to talk about. I have been through so much in my life. This is just the tip of the iceberg, baby. I have so many more ideas that I want to talk to you guys about. I got vlogs, I got trips, I got outfits, I got weight loss. I got so much that I want to share with you guys. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Radie_V, and I will see you guys next time, okay? Bye-bye.